Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to force turn off or restart the iPhone 17 Pro if you're having any problem like the screen not working, or you're having a frozen screen, or your iPhone 17 Pro not responding to touches, or you're just having some error messages on the display. In any of these cases, the solution is quite simple. All you just have to do is to press on some key combination to force turn off or restart the device. And the way you do it is to just press on the volume up button, the volume down button, and then long press on the power button until your iPhone 17 Pro turns off, and then you see the Apple logo, then you release the power button. So we're going to do that together. So just simultaneously tap or press on the volume up button, the volume down button, and then long press on the power button, just like so. Press and hold until it actually goes off, and then you see the Apple logo. So we're going to hold, and once we see the Apple logo, we are just going to release the power button. You release the power button and then just give it a couple of seconds, and this should force restart or force turn off your iPhone 17 Pro. And if you're having any issue like a frozen screen, or if your screen is not responsive, that is going to fix the problem for you. Also keep in mind that this does not affect your data or files on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So it is actually a safe way to restart or force turn off your iPhone 17 Pro. And if you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.